Hello students, MCQ type questions solving. Choose the correct option. First question number 1 is the distance of the point P 2, 3 from the x-axis is 2. First option, second option is 3. Option third is 1 and fourth one is 5. So the question is the distance of the point 2, 3 from the x-axis. That means what is the distance from the point 2, 3 from the x-axis? Okay, from the x-axis. So draw x-axis, y-axis. X, this O origin, this x dashed, X O x dashed is the x-axis, and Y O y dashed is the y-axis. O is the origin. Now the point is 2, 3. So from origin distance 2. Suppose this is 2 unit, and then 3 unit. 3 unit, suppose this is 3 unit. So this point coordinate is, this is P and this is 2, 3. This is 2, 3. That means this one is 2 unit and this is 3 unit, and this point is P. So distance from the of the point 2, 3 from the x-axis. So distance from the x-axis is 3. This x-axis is 3. So which option is correct? First option is 2, second one is 3. So second one. Therefore answer is B option. B 3. Next, question number 2. The distance between the points A 0, 6 and B 0, -2 is first option 6, second option 8, then 4 and last option 2. The question is the distance between the points 0, 6 and 0, -2. 2 points are given, find the distance. So use distance formula. So here x1 y1 equal to 0, 6 and x2 y2 equal to 0, -2. Therefore distance D equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. This is the distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to x2 is 0 minus x1 also 0 plus y2 is -2. y2 is -2 minus y1 is 6. y1 is 6 under root equal to 0 plus -2 minus 6, that is -8. -8 whole square under root equal to -8 whole square means 8 into 8 64, minus plus, this is 64. So root 64 equal to 8. So distance is 8. So which option is correct? First one is 6, second one is 8. So option B. So answer B is 8. Then question number 3. The distance of the point P minus 6 comma 8 from the origin is 8, 2 root 7, 10 and 6. The distance of the point, one point is given minus 6 comma 8 and another point is origin. Origin means we know 0 comma 0. So origin equal to 0 comma 0. Origin coordinate is 0 comma 0. That is the intersection point of x-axis and y-axis. And let this point is x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 equal to minus 6 comma 8. Another point. Now use distance formula, find their distance. Therefore d equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. So x2 is minus 6, x1 is 0 whole square, y2 is 8 and y1 also 0. So 8 minus 0 whole square under root. So minus 6 whole square plus 8 square. So minus 6 whole square, 6 36 minus plus 8 64. So 64 plus 36 100 under root. The 100 root, that is 10. So which option is 10? First one is 8, then 2 root 7. C option is 10. Therefore answer is C, that is 10. Okay, thank you.